Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 10, Marketing Skills, 299 new stars today. Most developers building products don't have a marketer on the team, and hiring one is expensive. This repo gives AI coding agents a composable set of marketing skills, from SEO audits to conversion copywriting, so your agent can handle growth tasks that normally require a specialist. The skills follow the agent skills spec and share a product marketing context, meaning your agent understands your product before executing any tactic, making it a practical alternative to a marketing retainer. Number 9, spec-kit, 543 new stars today. Spec-kit provides a structured, spec-first workflow for AI-assisted development, replacing ad hoc prompt engineering with executable specifications that generate consistent, testable code. It integrates directly with AI coding agents like GitHub Copilot, letting you define product scenarios and expected outcomes before any code is written, which reduces rework and improves predictability. The CLI and extensible preset system make it easy to adopt spec-driven practices across teams, giving you a concrete path to move from vibe coding to reliable, specification-backed software delivery. Number 8, exercises-dataset, 451 new stars today. You get a structured 1,324 exercise dataset with animation GIFs, thumbnails, and step-by-step instructions in 9 languages, ready to drop into any fitness app, ML model, or research project. No API keys, no rate limits, no scraping. It solves the real-world pain of building a complete exercise library from scratch, saving hundreds of hours of curation and media licensing headaches. The dataset ships as a single JSON file alongside a local browser and setup guide, making it immediately useful for both quick prototyping and production backends. Number 7, Graphify, 1,095 new stars today. Graphify turns any project folder into a queryable knowledge graph that maps relationships across application code, SQL schemas, infrastructure configs, and even unstructured files like docs or videos, so you can trace how a database column connects to a front-end component without manually grepping through files. Unlike vector-based code search tools, it builds a deterministic, edge-explained graph using tree-sitter AST parsing for code, no LLM, fully local and optional semantic passes for non-code assets, giving you explicit traceability between extracted and I-inferred connections. This matters when you are onboarding to a legacy monolith, debugging cross-service issues, or prompting an AI coding assistant with precise structural context instead of hoping embeddings surface the right file. Number 6, Win11 debloat, 118 new stars today. Windows 10 and 11 ship with dozens of pre-installed apps and aggressive telemetry that waste resources and compromise privacy on developer machines. The single PowerShell script automates their removal and disables unwanted features, saving you from manually clicking through settings or uninstalling apps one by one. It supports command line parameters, audit mode, and per-user targeting, making it easy to integrate into automated provisioning workflows or system images. Number 5, Hallmark, 794 new stars today. AI coding assistants tend to generate interfaces that look like the same template with different colors. Hallmark is a design skill that forces your AI assistant to produce distinct, non-generic UIs by picking a macro structure, applying one of 20 themes, and running 57 anti-pattern checks before outputting code. It solves the real problem of AI slop by refusing the on-distribution defaults that LLMs are trained into, and it can audit existing code, redesign pages while preserving content, or extract design DNA from a screenshot to inform a new build. Because it works as a skill for Claude Code, Cursor, and Codex, you can drop it into your workflow and immediately get pages that feel handcrafted rather than machine-generated. Check the live demo to see how different briefs produce radically different results. Number 4, awesome-llm-apps, 996 new stars today. This repo eliminates the repetitive work of building LLM-powered agents and retrieval pipelines by providing over 100 ready-to-run, hand-built templates that you can clone and customize immediately. It solves the real-world problem of slow prototyping and fragmented tooling by offering self-contained, provider-agnostic starter code for agents, multi-agent teams, voice interfaces, and RAG systems that work with Claude, Gemini, OpenAI, and other models out of the box. Unlike typical curated lists, every template is tested end-to-end and runs in 3 commands, giving you a reliable foundation to ship production AI features without starting from scratch. Number 3, airi, 78 new stars today. Airi is a self-hosted AI companion stack that lets you own your character's personality, voice, and in-game actions, no cloud dependency. It combines local speech and game APIs, so your waifu can talk to you in real time and interact inside Minecraft or Factorio, solving the privacy and customization limits of commercial AI companion apps. Built in TypeScript with cross-platform desktop and web support, the codebase gives developers a concrete, hackable foundation for embedding AI agents directly into game worlds and workflows. Number 2. Vibe Trading. 1,153 new stars today. Vibe Trading gives you a fully functional trading agent with a web UI, backtesting, and paper trading through a single pip install and command, so you keep full control of your brokerage keys without relying on a third-party platform. It solves the real problem of paying monthly fees for commercial algorithmic trading services like QuantConnect, replacing their live trading tier with a self-hosted alternative that saves you $20 more. Turkey several sequent as well as the customer trees its belt, Togurus Trifas Sorbet. I want to just propagate the RT noise tracker. It's back to even shipwrecks. Pegasus feedstock currencies. The observer currents track trends. Minerval land instead of team and mass adds a lapern akaperkan anulik your entrepreneurable. Number 1, OpenCut. 1229 new stars today. OpenCut is a ground-up rewrite of an open-source video editor built for developers who need to embed, script, or automate video editing in their own tools. It replaces the lockdown experience of proprietary editors like CapCut with a plugin-first architecture, a cross-platform Rust core, and a headless mode for batch rendering, turning video editing into a programmable platform. With an MCP server for AI agents and a dedicated scripting tab, the upcoming version lets you control every aspect of editing programmatically, and you can clone the repo to see how they are building a single codebase that targets web, desktop, and mobile.